Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating a look using the KimChi Chic Beauty 2 Queens 1 Desert palette. I'm so sorry this sold out. When I filmed this video it was still in stock and then poof, it just went. It sold out. So I'm sure you can dupe these colors. I'm going to start off with the shade Savannah, which is a soft mid-tone neutral brown. I'm just going to be sweeping this all over the crease area. It's just a very soft brown. I would say go maybe 2 or 3 shades darker than your skin tone and that should be a good match. Now I'm going in with a little bit of that same color and a warmer brown. I'm using the shade called It's a Mirage and I'm just going to slightly wing that a little bit out, as you can see, and then I'm going to take a warmer kind of burnt terracotta shade. I'm using the color called Summer Switch and I'm just placing it very lightly on the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm taking a slightly darker, warmer brown. This one's in the shade Mixed, and I'm applying that only in the very outer corners of the eyes. And then I'm going to take this brighter orange and just lightly sweep it on the middle of my eyelid. This one's called Muka. Is that how you pronounce it? Muka? I think it is, but it's a stunning orange. And going back with that very first color, I'm just going to lightly sweep it closer to my brow bone area, like right underneath it. I don't know, I've been really liking that look recently, so I'm still going with it. Now I'm taking the shade called Cactus, which is a nice kind of yellow gold shade, and just placing it on the inner portion of my lid where I haven't placed any colors. I'm not the best at cut creases. This is like my version of a cut crease. So I'm just sticking to that area. I'm not blending it a whole lot. I just want that to look gold. Since I love gold so much, I'm going to pack that on pretty heavily because I want it to look very shiny. So now I'm just enhancing and darkening up the areas where I want it a little bit darker with the same colors that I used before applying concealer. And guess which concealer I'm using? If you guess Rare Beauty, you win a prize! Congratulations! You win a new iPad! Just kidding, you don't, but yeah, I'm using the Rare Beauty concealer yet again. It's just, you guys know the drill. I love that concealer. And I'm using this humongous Japanese brush to blend it out because it's big and it just gets the job done really quickly. So now for the lower lash line, I'm using the matte magenta shade called Beaver Tail. And then I'm going in with the shimmery magenta that's called Campfire Kindling. So first Beaver Tail, then Campfire Kindling, and I'm just smoking that out. I just wanted a kind of a contrasting color since we went so warm in the upper lid. I just wanted something a little bit cooler for the lower lash line. Then applying a little bit more of the gold in the inner corner. It looks so nice. And then for eyeliner, I'm actually using the royal blue in the palette called 6 p.m. Sky, and I'm just lightly applying it with the brush. It does take some layers. You have to build it up, but it builds up really nicely. And with this brush, I'm using one from the Elf and J Kissa collection that was launched in the summer. It makes doing an eyeliner, I don't know what the hell I'm doing in there. It makes doing your eyeliner with eyeshadow so easy. So any thin angled brush works amazing. So now I'm going to set my makeup using the milk makeup powder. I don't know what's going on, I'm getting the giggles. And then I'm going in with my bronzer. This one is the KimChi Chic Beauty Thaler bronzer. Yes, the Thaler bronzer in the lightest shade called I'm in Malibu. So I am just going to apply that underneath my cheekbones, on my nose, you know, the same old thing that I always do. And now I'm going in with the Thaler blush in the shade Pinky, and I'm only going to use the darker pink. Holy crap, I am like my lisp with that Thaler blush and bronzer name, it's coming out more. So I'm applying it on my cheeks and also on my nose. Then we got the Glossier Boy Brow. As usual, I'm still using that because I have way too many in my collection and I want to use them up. Still love them. for mascara. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm still using that up. It's a little sample size, but I don't know how much product they fit in that tube. It's a lot. And then for the waterline, I'm just going in with a nude eyeliner. I was about to do a magenta shade, but I wanted my eyes to look really bright and awake, so I went with a nude instead. And now I'm using the KimChi Chic Beauty freckle product, the Candy Girl freckle thing, and I'm just applying my freckles. I'm still practicing. I don't know why. I can do a winged eyeliner, no problem, but with the freckles, my hand starts to shake. And it takes me forever to draw those damn dots. So yeah, it's still a work in progress, but the more I use it, the more I'll get the hang of it, and my hands will finally stop shaking. So then I'm just going in with a little bit of blush, just stamping my concealer brush over because it looked a lot darker in person. I don't know why, so I'm just trying to diffuse that before applying the same old, Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's my favorite. And then I'm going to line my lips and apply a little bit of lip gloss. The lip gloss that I'll be using is the one from the ColourPop and Sailor Moon collection, which actually paired really nicely with this look because the gloss itself is it has a yellow base. Yeah, I didn't notice this in my last video, but as I was editing this video, I was like, dang, like this pairs so nicely with my little beret thing that I have going on. So this is it for the makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments below if you did. If you're brand new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to see more of this and hear more of these awkward voiceovers. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye!